Morning peeps. Yeah man, welcome back to Wise Choice channel. Today, Mr. Wise Choice, as usual, in the kitchen, doing his thing. I love to cook. Yeah man, cooking is a passion. So today I'll be doing some tuna with the good old mac and cheese. Not together, separately. So I'll be showing you guys how I do the tuna first, my seasoning, and then how we prepare the mac and cheese. Yeah, so this is my seasoning that I just prepared. I got my tomatoes, my scotch bonnet pepper, my garlic, my scallion, and there's some onion beneath that. Yeah, so Mr. Wise Choice, I love to use a lot of seasoning because seasoning flavor my food and my food have to taste good. Yeah man, so this is how we do it. So this is the seasoning I have to put it. This is about 4 cloves of garlic. I think I'm going to add in about 2 more or 3 more because garlic is good in any food. Good for your body, good for your health. So it's always good to use a lot of garlic as much as long as you can manage it. Yeah, to put in your food, So yeah, so this is my season for my tuna. So check my back when it's in the pot. Alright? Stay tuned. Yeah my peeps. So I have the pan ready. So I'm just about now to put in my seasoning. Just put a little touch of coconut oil, Not much. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, peeps, so look at that. Look at that. Quite nice. As I said before, I like to use a lot of seasoning, Our food must taste good. Yeah man, so I'm having the tomato, the sweet pepper, both green and yellow, the garlic, the onion. Yeah man, and the scotch bonnet pepper. And also the scallion. Yeah man, that's how we do it. Right there. Just a little touch of water. I don't want it dry out too much, So just a little touch of water. That's where I make that cook down for about 10 minutes. And it will be done. Your piece finished product. Ready to go. Ready to consume. Nice, 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 nice. So this is my tuna. All ready to go, all ready to eat. Yeah man, so I'll show you how I do the mac and cheese to go with this. The normal process, normal process of doing mac and cheese, but I'll show you how I do it anyway. Alright, so just stay tuned. Yeah peeps. So now I'm about to do my macaroni and cheese. So I've got my macaroni there with the cheese included. I have about 4 teaspoons of butter and a 1/4 cup of milk. And this milk is not cow's milk, it's coconut milk. real coconut milk that I blended. So I'm trying it different. I normally do it with cow's milk, but I'm trying it with coconut milk this time to give it a even a better flavor. Yeah, my people, so I just finished boiling the macaroni, added some butter and the coconut milk. So I've just added now the cheese, the powdered cheese that comes in the box, and stirring it in. Yeah, yeah, so just working in the cheese right now. In the macaroni, the butter and the milk at a low fire. I'm just going to just turn it down, as I say, on a low fire and just make it all come together. And then that will be it. Yeah, my people, macaroni and cheese completed. Yeah man, looking good, looking real good. Looking real good. Yeah peeps, this is it now. Finished product. Tuna, mac and cheese. Yep, looking real good. And I'm sure it will be very tasty. So once again, thanks for watching Wise Child channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Greatly appreciate. So you all just take care until another one. May God continue to bless you. Yeah man, until another one. Boom, out.